Primavera tutorial series. In this tutorial, we will see to prepare a calendar. The calendar in Primavera P6 are used for date calculations and can also be used to specify how many minutes in the time period of day, week, month or year. Calendar are assigned to activities and resources where they are used for scheduling activities and leveling resources. Let us see how to create a calendar in Primavera. Go to Enterprise, select Calendar. In Primavera, there are three types of calendar: Global Calendar, Resource Calendar and Project Calendar. Global calendar are used if we want to create a calendar and assign to the different level of EPS project, then we use global calendar. If we wish to create a calendar for only particular project, then we have to select the project calendar. Similarly, if we want to create a calendar for the resources, if suppose that resource is not following the global calendar, then we can create a separate calendar for the resource. Let us see how to create a global calendar. Click on Enterprise, click on Calendar. Select Global, use Add. Select Template as Corporate Standard Full Time. Now rename the calendar as Ultramech Group. Make it as default and then use modify. Here standard, non-work and exceptions are available. If we select any date, it is considered as a standard with the default times of 8 hours. If we wish to make the holiday, select the date, use non-work. If apart from normal time, we have to assign the time, then select the date and use 4 hours. So it is considered as exception. If by mistake we make it the non-work and we wish to make it again standard, select the date and use standard. Under work week, you will find it out the working hours and non-working hours a day. Suppose we want to make it Saturday as a working, use 8 hours. Say OK. It shows the actual working hours. So see, the Saturday is now working. Click on a detail work hours. Again select the work week. Now it's showing the Sunday is a non-working, whereas Monday is working from 8 to 4. So total 8 hours of working. If suppose we wish to set our timing from 9 to 6, including 1 hours of break in between 1 to 2, then select Monday to Saturday as working and set 9 to 12 as a working and then 1 to 2 as a non-work and again from 2 to 6 as working. So our total work hours will be 9, but the actual work hours will be 8. Say OK. Now we have to set the time periods. Click on a time period, as we have to specify the number of work hours for each time period, as we use 6 working days. So here we have to change the value, as our work hours per day is 8, but work hours per week is 6 day. So it would be 48. Then hours per month will be 192, whereas hours per year will be 2304. Set OK. Use OK to complete the calendar. Now, to assign the global calendar on the project, select project, then use default tab under project details and assign the calendar in project. I choose Ultramech Group as my current calendar for this project. Similarly, we can assign the global calendar to the other EPS structure level project. For example, if we wish to assign the calendar for Chhatrapati Shivaji International Airport, so select this, go to default tab and change the calendar as Ultramech Group. In this way, we can assign the global calendar. Let us see how to create the project calendar. Select the project and use add. Now we have to select the template. I choose again corporate. Now I use my project name as Tribhuvan International Airport. Now here we have to use modify. If we wish to add the holidays from the global calendar, then we can use the inherent holidays and exceptions from global calendar. Here I choose my global calendar as Ultramech Group. You will notice that the holidays from the Ultramech Group will be linked automatically with the project calendar. Similarly, here you can make the changes. If you wish to add the other holidays apart from the global, then choose the date and say non-work. Similarly, here you can change the work week. If you wish to Saturday is a working, make it as 8, say OK. As our working hours are same, 8 hours, so we have to only change the timing here, as we are working for 6 days. Then if we wish to work only for 5 days, change the work week as 0. Say OK. Now we can have the option to make the project calendar as a global. If we click on this, our calendar will be considered as a global calendar, and then later on you you can apply the same calendar with the different projects. But we will see this project is have the restrictions to apply only for the open project. Select the project and then use default tab and change the calendar. Here I am getting the display as a global calendar. Change the display to project calendar. Now here you will get the Tribhuvan International Airport. Select this and say assign. Now for this project I choose the calendar as a Tribhuvan International Airport. If you like to assign the same calendar with the different project, just check it, select the project, right click and say open project. Now again click on project. So now my Chhatrapati Shivaji International Airport is the open project. Now you can try to apply the calendar. You won't get that project calendar. This is the limitations of the project calendar. It will be only visible to the Tribhuvan International Airport. For that, again it is in closed state. We have to make it as open state. Now again click on project. Now other projects will be in a closed state, but the Tribhuvan International Airport is in open state. Here if you again select, you will find it out here. In this way we can create and assign the project calendar. Similarly, you can create a calendar for the resource if the resource is not following the project or the global calendar. Thank you for watching the video.